Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to talk about the Apple Vision Pro. So let's begin. Let's start talking about the design of the Vision Pro. So Apple Vision Pro has an aluminum enclosure with a front piece of curved glass. And this curved glass actually has a purpose because all of the sensors, most of them at least, are stored right below it. So that allows see-through for the sensors. And at the top and bottom of the headset, we have ventilation holes so that the headset remains cool. And then we also have a digital crown on the right-hand side so that you can adjust and switch between environments, as Apple calls them, which are like little virtual worlds, you could say. And then you can also just exit right out of it by scrolling the digital crown. There's also a side button, which is used for taking spatial photos and spatial videos. And we also have this adjustable headband on the back that covers the back of your head, and you can adjust it using this knob that's on the side of the headset. And then closer to the front where your face is going to start touching, there's this light seal which prevents external light from entering the headset. And that's a little bit about the design of Vision Pro. Now let's go over audio. So on the Apple Vision Pro, there's two side straps that connect the light seal to the headband, but on each of those straps there is a speaker pod. So there's one speaker pod on one side and a speaker pod on the other side, and those give you spatial audio sound. And Apple's also doing some audio ray tracing as well, so that the sound will be as lifelike as possible. There is more that goes into that, but I'm not going to go too in depth here. Now let's cover some of the sensors that are inside Vision Pro. So Vision Pro has 12 cameras, 5 sensors, and it also has 6 microphones. Not to mention there's also a true depth camera and a LiDAR sensor. So all of these come together to help you control the headset in a way that is unlike other headsets. But I'll get into that a little bit later into the video. Now let's talk about what powers Vision Pro. Vision Pro is powered by Apple's own M2 chip, which is now found in many of Apple's products like the Mac and the iPad. And the M2 chip will be powering the operating system visionOS, which is the new operating system Apple developed specifically for Vision Pro. And they also have this new chip called the R1 chip, also designed just for the Vision Pro. And this chip processes all the information from the sensors, and it tries to provide a almost lag-free experience, which Apple says should reduce motion sickness. Not that motion sickness can't happen, but it will reduce the likelihood of that occurring. Now let's talk about the displays. So Vision Pro is using micro OLED displays, and Apple says that each lens has more pixels than a 4K TV. So everything should be crystal clear. And there's a nice option they added where you can get prescription lenses so you can still see clearly without altering the quality of the displays. Now let's talk about visionOS. So visionOS is what Apple calls a spatial operating system, and it is controlled through the use of your hands, eyes, and voice. So some of Apple's demos showed someone looking at a particular icon, and that icon will lift itself up. So the headset is so accurate with using the sensors we talked about earlier that it can detect where exactly you're looking for accurately. And you can just use your hands to swipe or move windows, so you can just like move and have different windows focus on different sections. It's kind of like having multiple displays, and you can even grab your Mac and connect it with the Vision Pro, and then you could be working on something on your Mac and have it up on here. It's really cool. Now let's talk about privacy and security. So Vision Pro uses a new type of identification that Apple has not done before in the past, and it's called Optic ID. So Optic ID will scan the unique parts of your iris to unlock your Vision Pro. Another good thing to keep note of is all the camera and sensor data is all processed at system level, so no other applications will be able to access it. Finally, let's talk about when the Vision Pro is going to come out and its price tag. So Vision Pro will come out in early 2024 with no exact date at this time, and it will cost the hefty price of $3,500. So not affordable whatsoever, but it's pretty cool and is packed with a ton of technology. And that's an overview of the Apple Vision Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.